I opened the Supra fuel tank and found this. We are working on my 800 horsepower Supra, and after opening the fuel tank to upgrade the fuel system, look what I found. Look at how much junk is in there. So all that junk that you see over there, it goes from the bottom, which is the filter. This is the normal filter, and this filter was off the OEM pump, which is this pump here. So you can imagine all that junk going through this pump all the way to my fuel injectors. So I could lose a fuel injector, I could lose my pump, run lean, a lot of things could happen. So that's no good. Let's clean this and keep our peace of mind. And my goal is to go down there and be sure that I can put my transfer pump right where the things are and suck all of that into this thing. It's super hard to take all the crap out of there, but I'm gonna try to show you. I'm going to squeeze this part here. That should be gone. Look. Oh. So this tool is alright. I ended up MacGyvering something here. As you see, it's clean now. But I needed to take that pump out of there. I used another stuff I had and put the pump in here. Anyways, just got a big hose, put in the tank, suck on it, and get a 5-gallon stuff like this. And as you go in the tank, you just need to be able to, as the gas is coming out, you need to be able to go where the dirt is, and it's gonna suck the dirt out. My hope was that the dirt would get stuck in this filter. Oh, some of it did, but I'm sure some of it is inside. I need to be sure now that this doesn't go back in my tank. I don't know. It's almost $6 a gallon. There's 5 in here. It's $30. I'm gonna try to filter it out. Why does it matter? That little thing, as I said before, it can go to your fuel pump, destroy your fuel pump. Then you gotta pay mechanic to go replace your fuel pump. It goes to your injectors, which is even worse. It can just clog the injectors, mechanic can fix it, or it's going to destroy your injector, and then mechanic will need to replace it, which is more expensive. So it's a no good. If you have something like this, I would suggest get a big hose, put in there, suck the end, put somewhere, and then just keep moving the hose inside the tank until you see that everything is clear. Now next, I'm going to drop this in there. That's going to be part of the next video. This is the new fuel hanger and the new fuel pumps. I have 2 in there for the Supra. We have 440 horsepower right now. I am aiming for 800. Watch the next video, you're gonna see very cool stuff happening. This Supra is gonna fly. I mean, fly, going fast. Bye. Ciao for now. And later.